Yo, I'm here. I'm back. It's Thursday. Good morning, everyone. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch a setup today. There was a setup that I kind of missed earlier because of school. It was a 5 minute US 30 demand, and you could have scaled it to the 1 minute, and then on TradingView it did not wick out of this. So this one candle right there was valid on TradingView, and then you could have gotten that breaker candle, and this went for a 1 to 2, I believe. Yeah, it went like exactly for a 1 to 2 that I missed out on. But it's all good. I know we're gonna find another setup today. So we just gotta see what else we can catch. Honestly, there's not really anything been going on besides that setup I missed. GG's actually got a supply that looks quite nice. That you can scale it down over 2 candles. So that could be something that we look at, but something really else. GU's in a 5 minute supply right now, but this is way too low for me to take. Yeah, this is way too low to be taking a supply. It looks like we dropped like most of the London session, so I don't honestly see this working out. And NAS, there's a liquidity grab happening. That already got break a candle, but other than that, there's nothing happening. We just waiting. There's news in 30 minutes, I believe now. So we gotta wait till news. EU won again. Let's check EU. Let us look at EU. EU. Right here. Oh, damn, yeah. EU had a 5 minute supply. Right. Oh, it had multiple. Damn, there was one up here. Okay, that's a no breaker structure supply. And then there's one that looks like it was here. If that was valid on TradingView, let's see. It does not look like you could have scaled this 1 minute, this 5 minute supply. But you know what? We're gonna wait for something else. Does look like it's winning off the 5 minute though. Let's see, 4 pips. That take profits like down to maybe like just part. Okay, there. EU just hit that 1 to 1. If anyone took this, I don't think this the setup might be valid. I need to check TradingView. Okay, yeah. So this setup is valid. The bottom one that I have marked out, but I don't think you could have scaled it. Yeah, it doesn't look like you could have scaled it on the 1 minute. And and then most people know who are in the Discord, I'm only taking 5 minute setups, 5 minute supply and demand that have a 1 minute inside it. So it has to have a valid 1 minute inside it. GU honestly looks like a 1, which is pretty surprising. I honestly thought this GU supply that I have marked out, I don't even, can you guys see it? Yeah, you guys can see it. I honestly did not think that was going to end up working out because of how low we pretty much are. Yeah, market dry right now. Better wait till better just wait till news. Yeah, honestly, that's what I'm doing. You could have scaled GU on the 1 minute, but it does not look. I don't know. It looks odd. I don't even know. But it didn't tap into that 1 minute yet. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm only taking 5 minute supply and demand that have a 1 minute inside it. So you have to be able to scale the zone down. So I'm not looking at it. Just because of all the research I've done, it wins a lot more than just regular supply and demand on the 5 minute, and I'd be getting faked out way too much on the 5 minute recently. So yeah, I missed out on a lot of good supply and demand setup because I didn't get the 1 minute. You're gonna miss out on a few setups, but overall, I think it's worth it to just stay take setups that have the 1 minute. It's extra confluence, and they go for way higher RRs. Like I'd be going for minimum 1 to 2, and 5 minute setups you barely be getting, like you just get a 1 to 1 if it wins. So I'm just liking 1 minute supply and demand a lot more than regular 5 minute. And you don't get setups like too often. Like I took a trade on Tuesday, which ended up winning US 30 on the 1 minute, which was clean. Like that's honestly what I'm just waiting for. Yeah, GJ's supply that's marked up there, you can scale that zone down. Let's actually quickly just scale it on MetaTrader as well. Yeah, so this zone here, if we go to the 1 minute, this is the 1 minute supply right there. You have to draw it over 2 candles. Yeah. With 1 minute, you have to risk more because of tight stop loss. I just give my stop loss a little bit of extra room, like give your stop loss like between. I don't know. Between it depends which pair you obviously trading because some pairs are different. But give your stop loss between like 1 to 2 pips maybe. Maybe like 0.8 pips to like 1.5 pips. That's how much stop loss. That's how much room you should be giving your stop loss. That's what I've been doing and it's working. Yeah, this setup looks like it's melting. Damn. It's actually hit a 1 to 2 on this GU setup on the 5 minute. We're 26 minutes until news, so yeah, we're gonna have to be waiting until after news. The 1 minute sense because if it has a 1 minute high probability span amount, there's still a gap, so the 5 minute can break a candle and make out only to fake out to only come back and fill the 1 minute gap. Yep, that's literally like why I like, because let's say you take like let's use GU for example. G is the perfect example. So it's a regular 5 minute supply and demand. But so this 1 minute up here is valid on TradingView, but we still have a gap in front of that. In front of this 1 minute high probability setup, there's still a gap. So it is a risk trying to sell before we fill in that full gap, which does indicate that it could potentially fake out. But gee, looks like it worked out in this case. But I have also looked at it and back tested it. If there's a 5 minute supply or demand and there's a 1 minute inside it, and we reject off the 5 minute without filling in the gap on the 1 minute and tapping the demand or supply on the 1 minute, those ones do end up like faking out a lot more. But it also does end up winning sometimes. Sometimes it actually just doesn't tap the 1 minute and it ends up winning. So it honestly just depends, but I think just sticking to taking 1 minute supply and demand inside the 5 minute right now is working a lot better for me. So I'm just gonna stick to it. It's working for me. I'm not gonna change it up now. And like I've taken 2 setups and one on both. Like I'm chilling. I've taken like only 2 5 minute and 1 minute supply and demand, and I've won on both of those. And then on I think it was Monday, I took a regular demand. Actually, no, it was on Tuesday as well. And Monday, I took a regular 5 minute demand and then got faked out. Let me just check my trading journal. Yeah, okay, so it was on Monday, and then on Tuesday, the first setup I took regular 5 minute demand and then got faked out. But then I take a US 30 supply that has a 5 minute and a 1 minute, and then it goes for 1 to 2. That's why I'm just sticking with regular. I mean, I'm switching over to 1 minute plus 5 minute. So I'm not taking any just only 5 minutes plan on. In FX replay, how do you place your entries like in real time? You wait for the breaker candle, but there you just see candle close and it can be way below the break a candle. I don't know if I explain myself right. I don't really understand what you're saying, but I can show you how I do it. Let me open FX Replay real quick. Yeah, let me just go into. I'll just show you how I do it on FX Replay. It's just loading up. I just gotta wait for it. Okay. Which session? It's this. No. It's this one here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll show you how I do it on FX Replay. Let me do this. Okay. Okay. So yeah. I'm just gonna go. Wait, let's go to a trade that I took. Let me just go to closed positions. To this one right here. GU buy. What time? 12:01:23. Okay. It's GU. Let me see. Okay, wait. 12:01. So that was December 1st. Let's go to that real quick. It was a 1-4, I believe. No, yeah, 1-3. Okay. Should be here. Yeah. Okay, wait, what was it? Does not say what thing was it. I don't remember. I was backtesting this morning. Okay, no. I don't remember what setup it was. So wait, I need to just make sure that we're looking at New York Stock Exchange. I'm still getting used to FX Replay as well, and I'm still trying to figure it out. Okay, so this was New York Stock Exchange. New York. Okay, here it is. I see the demand. Okay, so I took this. I'm just gonna use this as an example. But there's that demand. We can see it obviously win, but when I was back testing it, we didn't know it would win or not. So let's just hit replay to. Wait, we need to go to. Yeah, we can hit replay to state. Yes. Okay, I just lost a lot of progress and stuff, but it's all good. Then we go to GU, and then we got to make sure that we go to New York session. Okay, let me just go to the setup that I took. Where was it? Wait, am I tripping? What? GU. It was on the 1st. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm going crazy. So this was our demand that I had marked out. I'm just gonna go to the 1 minute so I don't miss it. Then just show up the 1 minute zone like that, and then all you do is wait for it to tap. I'm not sure when. Okay, yeah, okay, just tap. Okay, this is how I do it. So GJ kinda low too. I'm gonna check that out now. I just want to explain this too. So this is what I do. So let me make sure you guys can see. Okay, you can see. So there would be our break a candle entry. You'd have to set it up before, like it might not get break a candle entry on this like candle, but you just set it up. So then you'd have your I have my stops a little bit lower, and then you go, and then I set up the 1 to 2 like that, and then go place order. On this setup, I aimed for higher, aimed for this liquidity up here, but it doesn't really matter. And then you go like before, and then you just go place order, and then you go save, and then it sets it up. And then as soon as you get tagged into it, you get tagged into it, and then you just gotta let it play out. And that's how I do it on thing. Came back. This is how I just do it on FX Replay. But yeah, you gotta like enter the trade before it gives break a candle, or like where it's about to give break a candle. Like you saw how I entered the trade before this candle was there, and then it would tag you in, and then you'd be in the trade. Yeah. But that's how I do it. Let's just take this away. Okay, GJ kind of low too. Let's check. Let us check. I mean, GJ's been dropping. Oh, wait. Okay, no, that's low probability. Thought there was a 1 hour demand. Nah, GJ's not that low. We are still bullish overall, so we could continue dropping, or we're gonna still push up because we're bullish overall. Do not try trading both. Just decided to go with 1 minute or 5 min, or you will find your me entering twice. I know I only enter off the 1 minute. So let's say there has to be a 5 minute zone, and then inside that 5 minute zone, there has to be a 1 minute zone scaled down, and then I'd wait for it to tap on the 1 minute, and then I'd get in that breaker candle on the 1 minute. So the 1 minute's my new entry time frame, but there has to be a 5 minute supply, and then inside that 5 minute supply, there has to be a 1 minute supply, or demand. That's the way I'm doing it now, and it's been working. So yeah, I don't think I'm even gonna look at GJ because news is about to drop in like 15 minutes. So yeah. Thanks, bro. It helped. Bro, I appreciate it. I'm glad it helped, GG. Yeah, honestly, I think all the zones that we got marked up are gonna get broken through. Nothing's gonna hold through news unless it's like some weak news. And also, remember, as long as the 5 minute demand is valid and 1 minute is as well, yeah, bro. They both have to be high probability. And yeah. Both zones gotta be high probability. 5 minute has to have a breaker structure, and yeah, that's what we're looking for. Yeah, news. It's gonna break all of our zones. Gonna make everything invalid. You do scalping or intraday? I do scalping, bro. We on the 1 minute time frame. I do scalping. Yeah, we scalpers out here. There's a few people that I know who swing trade. Few profitable people I know who swing trade, but yeah, I don't have the patience for that. And I hate holding setups. Like holding till 1 to 2 for me is already annoying, especially on the trade I took on US30 on Tuesday. Like I wanted to close before it hit my take profit, but Chow was telling me to hold until it hits full take profit, and I can't imagine what it's like on swing trading. So scalping works for me. Yeah, news is in what 12 minutes now. Hopefully we can create like a really nice supply and demand off of news. Yeah, someone in Discord, he took this setup. He took the GU setup right here. He took that setup there. Good shit to him. My spreads are so bad I can't trade the 1 minute because my spreads are big as a whole. Are big as a whole 1 minute candle. Honestly, I think that's what it's like on US30 before open. Yeah, check out the spreads on US30 there as well. That's like, wait, let's see. That's almost like a whole actually. I think it's like 1.5 perps on US30, and then yeah, US30 on the 1 minute before stock exchange open have huge spreads. So this is also going to be a problem when I take my challenge. So I'm hoping that the spreads aren't too bad on whichever prop firm I take. Doyle took 5 minute plus 1 minute supply, NAS supply, but that looked terrible. Wait, let me pull that up. Where on NAS? Oh, this supply here. I wasn't in the charts this early. I'm gonna guess it was this supply because I don't see any other supply. Are you in his Discord? Because he hasn't posted anything on his Instagram, but I don't. Unless wait, you said the time frame what 12:30 UCT. Let me check when that is. 12:30 on NAS. Oh, never mind. He took this supply here. He took that. Oh, I won't lie to you. That is a terrible supply. Wait, let me just check what it's doing on the 1 minute. Where is that? I don't understand how Doyle could take something like that. What? Where would he have marked up his supply? In the scaled one. What? Wait, hold up, bro. Help me. I need help here. Where did he drop his
There is a company owned by a company owned by a trust fund owned by a company that has hundreds of millions of dollars of real estate which I have access to.
Okay. And how many cars do you currently have?
59? I think I bought another one yesterday.
What was that?
And then
there was only a Huracan Technica, but it was the last one off of the production.
Maybe like that.
Yeah, I thought
over 2 candles.
So what's the 59 cars
and
worth?
You got a tap then.
Well, let's try and work this out. I have a Rimac Nevera.
I'm on his Discord.
Is that on order?
But I just trade on my
he's
own
collecting,
now.
but yeah, I'm on judicial control. I cannot leave remain. That's around 5 million. I have the Bugatti around 5 million. I have two Chimeras ordered. They were 5 million each. I got Jesco. That's 5 million. So that's 5 cars already at 30 million.
Why 2 Chimeras?
He could have got in.
Because I spec'd it, and I couldn't decide which color. Right? It was between the two.
Shit,
and I thought, well,
why am I hearing Andrew Tate? I didn't know that started playing. My bad, everyone. I was listening to a video. I was watching a video in class, and then it ended up playing. Now, my bad. I did not see that. There's a video playing in the back. My bad, everyone. I did not know that. Let me actually just close that. I can watch it later. I didn't think it would end up playing, but Top G speaking. Yeah, but I still don't understand how Doyle took this. Jesse or Rock. How did he get in? Like over on the 1 minute. Like what did he mark up? Honestly, I don't even understand how he got in. That makes no sense. This is like an ugly supply as well. Let's all listen to Andrew, bro. I'm pretty sure it's copyright. I think I can get copyrighted for that. But on a stream, I don't think it's that deep. If I get copyrighted, but you know what? We had to trade. We can watch it. We can watch this shit later when we're done. 5 minutes until stock exchange open. I mean, what am I saying? Not stock exchange open. 5 minutes until news. Yeah, 5 minutes until news. I mean, I guess it's dropping now on the supply that he took, but okay, wait, let me see. He entered at 12:57 UCT. Let me pull up UCT. On that breaker candle, let's see, 12:57, 12:57. Very interesting. Yeah, he lost. Rock. If you're in the Discord or you have me on Discord, can you just send the setup that he took, like how he posted it in Doyle Trade Ideas? I still don't understand how he drew the 1 minute supply though. Can you just send it to me in DMs or in the Discord if you're in the Discord, please? I'm still, I see where he ended, like which breaker candle he entered on. I see where he entered, but I don't understand why he entered there. There's no 1 minute supply there. Unless he drew like the box bigger. Honestly, I don't even know. He deleted the setup, the idea. He always does if he loses or break even. Yeah, he's always done that. He deleted, he says that he only puts winning trades in Doyle Trade Ideas just so you can see what winning setups look like. I don't know, he's always done that. My bad, everyone. My dad's just calling me. Give me a second. Hello?
Hello, Joe.
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Listen, these courier guys just dropping something off quickly.
Okay, I'll go get it. By the gate? By the gate?
Yeah, well, they'll come inside.
Okay, bye. My bad, everyone. I still don't know what he took though. Can you guys not? Did he send it in chat or in like not regular chats, or is it not there? That's a very interesting supply. I mean, it's dropping now, so I mean, maybe he just got the timing wrong. But I don't know how he drew it on the 1 minute. I won't lie to you. News in 2 minutes. I didn't even look at the Discord when he sent it out, so I have honestly no idea what he took. I don't know, maybe we're gonna have to wait for the story reply. When he puts it on his Instagram. Because I had no idea what he took. Let's delete that. Oh, this is news. Damn. Okay. Getting a little bit of movement on NAS. Okay, well, it looks like we've created a few demands that we could potentially take. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. Let's see. So we're getting a... Ooh, this breaker structure here is not that great. If we break this high on NAS, that would be pretty good. Let's see, did we break? Okay. Okay, so we got a demand on NAS. This right there. Let's see, on GU... Let's wait for it to break this high here. If it breaks that high, I'm marking up the demand there. Okay, US30, we've also got another demand right here. Let me just check that on TradingView. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. So we got a few options right now. And then we've got GU right down here. We've got a few options. Let's see what happens. GJ looks like it's grabbing liquidity. Could be a potential liquidity grab on GJ right there. But we got a few demand options. NAS kind of went crazy, low key. Yeah, NAS actually pushed up. But at the beginning it didn't do much, but now it's actually pushed up. And then there's a liquidity grab happening on GJ, but I'm gonna pass on that. Okay, yeah, no, okay. Everything's got a little bit of movement. I just gotta make sure, because my dad ordered something and they're dropping it off, so I just gotta go collect it when they get here. Okay, yeah, I honestly don't think NAS is coming back now. NAS has gone up way too much for it to come back. I thought this was gonna be a weak news, but damn, how many pips is that? NAS has gone up like what? Almost 100 pips. We gotta wait now. I think GU could be potential. Oh, let me open up Magic Keys as well. Magic Keys open. I think GU would probably be our best bet if we get down there. See if there's a 1 minute. No, actually, there's no 1 minute on GU that I like. Let me just see. There's a 1 minute on NAS. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to wait for like NAS to get back or US30 to get back. US30 isn't even high pro. Actually, no, there is a zone. Wait, let me draw this properly. NAS has a really nice 5 minute and 1 minute, but the odds of us getting back down there, yeah, US30 doesn't even have a 1 minute on it. So there's that. Let me mark it up. There's that 5 minutes, but then if we go to the 1 minute, the 5 minute and the 1 minute are the same candle, and this right there is not high probability. GJ liquidity, yeah, I'm not taking that. It looks pretty good though. It makes sense though to take it. But I think I'm gonna pass up on a liquidity grab at the moment. I'm liking just taking 5 minute, 1 minute supplies. And then on GU, there's, if you draw it up like that, this candle right there is not high probability. So there's some potential. Let's see, like that. NAS honestly doesn't look like it's pulling back. Guys, give me a second. I need to just go collect this delivery there outside. Just give me like 2 seconds. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. My bad. Came back for my phone. Yeah, you did. Alright, I'm back, everyone. I'm back. Video. Alright, we back. Oh, I forgot to open this. Yeah, let's put the subscribe back up, and then not that one. That one. Alright, we chilling now. We chilling. GJ liquidity grab looks like it could play out. It's just that break a candle if anyone wants to get into that. GU looks like we could honestly get back down, honestly. Let's see, GU could be the potential. Let's see what GJ is doing. Yeah, I don't know if we're getting back down on NAS and US30. But let's look at the 1 minute on here. So that's that 1 minute demand. Let's pull up magic keys. Alright, we good. Let's see if we get a tap. Damn, because of my spreads, 1 to 2 winner turned into a break even. Hate when that happens. What did you take? I think you did tell me. Wait, no, you didn't tell me. What? Yeah, no, you didn't say it. What setup was it that you took? What pair? Yeah, no. GU looks like the only thing that's going to pull back. It looks pretty good on the 1 minute. I just wish this bottom candle was high probability. If this bottom candle right here was high probability, this would have been like Euro JPP demand. I think we have time to pull that up. Let's see. You like that pair. You actually be eating off that pair. Damn. Check the 5 minute. Oh, was it this right here? That right there. That demand. It might have been that demand. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, no, it doesn't look like it tapped on the 1 minute. I don't know. Is it this demand? Oh yeah, you said demand. I mean, it looks like it tapped on the 5 minute, but the 1 minute doesn't look like it tapped. Maybe it did on TradingView. But yeah, it looks like you had a 1.3 pip stop loss. Actually, I went for 1 to 2. But yeah, spreads are always gonna get. I have zero spreads with future markets. Like look at that. There's zero spreads. Let's just close that and check GU. We're waiting on GU to tap. GJ honestly looks like a cool one off that liquidity grab. US30 liquidity grab maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna drop. I mean, yeah, it looks like it could even grab this liquidity there. Maybe, potential. Now it took 5-minute break candle. Okay, makes more sense then. Honestly, I don't even think NAS or US30 are gonna drop. I think it's we could just keep continuing up for the rest of the day. That's why GG liquidity grab doesn't look too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna pass on that. GU is the one I'm waiting on. Price action on GU doesn't look too good. I won't even lie on like the 4-hour and the 1 hour. Let's see if we get into that demand. Do you hold crypto? Yeah, I got a bit of money in crypto. I'm up quite a bit right now. I have a little bit of money in Bitcoin and in Ripple and a little bit in Ethereum. I got most of my money in Ripple though. But that hasn't been too great recently. But yeah, I got a little bit of money in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have done pretty good. Because of how bullish they've been recently. At Bitcoin at its all-time high as well. So yeah. Anyone else holding crypto? Like some other cryptos that you don't really hear about? Okay, yeah, GJ looks like it was just a fake out. Pretty crazy. I'm holding okay, I'm Bitcoin. I see. Yeah, I'm up quite a bit on Bitcoin, but I didn't get in at too good of a price. But we chilling on Bitcoin, and then Ethereum I'm also up quite a bit. But I have like the least out of the three amount in Ethereum. So yeah, I was thinking to buy some altcoins since BTC is almost at all-time high, but still thinking about it. I swear Bitcoin's at its all-time high right now? Wait, let me just check. What is its all-time high? Oh, it's 65,000. Okay, never mind. What is it at now? It's at, let me just see. Where's USD? Everything's been converted into my currency. Oh, okay, so it's like, it's almost at its all-time high though. I see. But yeah, everything's been pretty bullish right now. I'm just waiting on XRP. I'm waiting on that. That's like that's where majority of my money's in. But you know what, we gotta wait on that. Yeah, I don't think NAS and US30 are coming back anytime soon. Check like what's happening. The 1 hour, it's just a big 1 hour candle. Yeah. There's NASA's all-time high as well. Could go for that all-time high. I'm just waiting on GU. I'm hoping GU gets back. If GU gets back, I'll be happy. This is the 1 minute demand. Did it tap the 5 minute? Might have, honestly. Wait, let me check trading view. GU 5 minute honestly looks like it might have tapped. No, okay, no, it hasn't tapped it yet. Hasn't tapped the demand yet, so we're still waiting. Yeah, today honestly looks like it's gonna be another long day. I swear I've been having long days for way too long now. I just want to set up to win in like super early in the morning. That's all I want. Literally on Tuesday we had a long ass day. On Monday we had a long day, and last week Friday we had a long day. I'm waiting until like the end of the session. I'm in EU again. Pray for me. Let us check. Are you in the demand on EU? I see it. Let's check what's happening. Oh, I see the 5 minute demand. Let's see. Oh, okay, there's a 1 hour demand as well. I mean a 1 minute demand. Okay, I see what you're in. You in profit. Are you chilling? You honestly chilling on EU? Let me. I'm not gonna put it up on TradingView. I mean on MetaTrader. But here's EU. There's the 1 minute demand. I'm not too sure how you drew the 5 minute, but I can go over that. There's that 1 minute. Had a nice reaction. And then the 5 minutes looks like it was this candle like that. Pretty solid setup. Now I just wish GU would tap into that 1 minute. Pretty solid setup off the 1 minute especially. Let's see. If I had to get in this is what I'd look for. Stops a little bit below. That's what I'd look for if I was in GU. Just like that. I mean in EU. If I had to open this setup. Valid trade, bro. I hope it wins. Yeah, GJ's liquidity grab doesn't look like it. It just looks like it got faked out. NAS is... Oh, today's gonna be another long day. I'm hoping March is a better month. Tomorrow's the 1st of March, so I'm hoping we can have. I'm hoping yes. What am I saying? I'm hoping March we can have a better month than February. I'm hoping. And I'm hoping Q2 is also better than Q1's been. Q1's been pretty okay. Yesterday, took Nasta Krieger at 130, pretty solid. 1 to 2. I see. What's good, bro? Hope school was productive. Nah, school was boring. I got a lot of my tests back and stuff, like stuff that I've written. I've done pretty good. I'm pretty average, but you know what? It's chilling. But school was boring like always. I did a little bit of back testing in school as well. I just want to sleep. I'm so tired now. We must have a long day. Now, GU would have been pretty clean if we just tapped into that 1 minute demand. GU would have been clean.
Whenever somebody gives you their opinion on anything, listen to the opinion and then stop and look at who told it. Because you never want to adopt the thinking of somebody you don't want to be. Because their thinking made them. So if somebody sits and says, tell you this week. He's shaped like a gingerbread man. As for Logan saying my name, he's had 6 fights, lost all but 1. I'm a fighter in a way that he will never be. My fight career is very, very good. I won 30-something of my 40-something fights. I'm known as a fighter in a way that if you throw me in a cell.
I'm playing Clash of Clans. I'm bored out of my mind. I hate days like this. Like days where we wait so long. I like getting setups early and just being done early, but it hasn't been happening a lot recently. Like barely. I mean, if I wasn't at school, I would have taken the US 30 setup, the US 30 demand, but I was at school when I played out this one right here. It won off the 1 minute. The 1 minute went for 1 to 2. I think. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, wait, zoom out a bit. Okay, here was the setup. So there was the 5 minute demand and then the 1 minute. Oh shit. Let me just skip. And then there was a 1 minute demand right there, and you could have gotten that breaky candle. It went like exactly for 1 to 2. I would have taken the setup, but it was literally as soon as school was ending, so I couldn't even get my laptop out and take it. But yeah, I missed that setup, which happened early, and I wish I took that. We would have been hard chilling already. Let's see, let's fix this, and we must wait patiently today. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. Unless GU does something magical and comes back down to that demand. But GU's price action has been terrible, especially I lost on Tuesday as well on GU, so I gotta be careful about GU. GU's just been moving so weird lately. I lost once and then I took a US 30 supply and won on Tuesday. Let's see. I'm busy attacking Clash of Clans right now. Let's see. I'm gonna get that 3-star. Yeah, GU looks like we could actually come back down into that 1 minute demand. I'm hoping we do. Like, I'm genuinely hoping we do. Alright, we're about to get that that 1 to 3. We're about to get that 3-star. It's about to happen right now. Let's see if we pull it off. Yeah, we're about to get that 3-star. I do think it's gonna be a no trade day. I don't know if Fred. I mean, on Tuesday I waited till like 10:30 New York session time, and I ended up getting a setup then. So hopefully that's gonna happen again. But I don't think we're gonna get a setup on NAS or US30. They're way too high, or they're pushed up way too much right now for it to come back. Yeah, there we go. We just got that 3-star right there. Yeah, but I don't think US30 is gonna, or NAS are gonna come down unless it comes down during Stock Exchange Open, which is in like 34 minutes. But if it doesn't come down, then I'm waiting on GU. But GU also isn't like the best setup. Like it's an alright setup. It isn't like a quality setup. So, yeah, we just gotta see what happens. Maybe there's like a liquidity grab on NAS or US30, but I'm just looking. Yeah, it looks like there might be a liquidity grab on NAS, but it doesn't look that good. Like there's not enough of a rejection. Same thing, US30 doesn't have anything. No, I'm chilling. I'm waiting on GU. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna be taking some random setups. Let's see. Let's check EU. How's EU doing? Yeah, everything's still moving. I'm praying. I'm hoping that I'm so tired. I'm hoping that March is a better month. I'm hoping March is clean, and then I hope Q2 is also gonna be good. Like, because if it's gonna be like another Q1, like this Q1's been, oh. But let's hope it is better. what did you take on Tuesday? Let me show you. On Tuesday, I'll show you right now, Fred. Let's go to TradingView. So the first setup was a 5-minute GU setup. So this was what I took as the first setup on GU. I took 2 setups on the day, but we hopped into that right there. I got in that break a candle there and instant fake out, and then I waited, and then at the end of the day, like pretty late, we got a US30 supply with 1 minute confluence as well. We had this right here. No, it was this one here. We had this on US30, and I held it out for 1 to 2 on Tuesday. I actually need to go back to that now. But yeah, here it is. Let me mark it up on the 1 minute, and then we had that. I got in at break of the candle, like right there, and it stops like that, and I hold the 1 to 2 got hit there. That's what I took on Tuesday. So 1 loss, 1 W, but the W was a 1 to 2, and that covered all the losses. So as of now, I'm break even for the week. But we still got 2 days to trade though to see what happens. Um, 15 minutes small supply on GJ. If GU tapped the supply above, would be really nice. Even has 1 hour confluence on GU. Let me check the 1 hour. Oh shit, there is a 1 hour supply. I see that. I do see that 1 hour supply. That is a little bit sketchy, but it isn't like the greatest. There's no like proper, it's like a minor breaker structure. I mean, I guess if it tapped into that supply, I'd maybe, let's see if that supply has it has 1 minute confluence. That actually could be something potential. Just see the 1 minute. The 1 minute. Is there? Wait, hold on. It looks like if you draw it over 2 candles, there's 1 minute confluence as well. So it honestly could be potential if we don't tap into that demand. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's 1 minute confluence on GU on the supply. It looks like it's just 1 candle. Yeah, I don't think we're pulling back. I wonder. No pairs of anything else. AU has nothing. UCAD has nothing. UJ has nothing. EU also still has nothing. It's just been too slow. Everything has been way too slow. Like, I like taking setups before news drops. Like, if we get a setup before news, then it just makes it so much easier. No, we've got to sit and wait and hope. Is the fan too loud or not? Because it's hot as hell in my room. Can someone just tell me if the fan's too loud or if it's okay? Can you all hear the fan? Because it's hot in my room, and I always have the fan on, but I think it messes with the mic a bit too much. Can someone just tell me if the fan's too loud or not? I see something else on GU as well. So we have a 5-minute demand right here, but there is that 5-minute supply up there. But this one also has 1-minute confidence as well. So there's that 1-minute supply, that 1-minute demand, which is valid. So there could be some more potential on GU. But let's just see if it taps into that supply and what it does if we tap. Well, when we tap. It looks like we're about to. Let's see, maybe we can end up taking this like this 1-minute demand. Let me show you guys on what it looks like on TradingView, just so it looks clearer. So the big zones, the 5-minute, or small zones, the 1-minute. We could, if we do get down. Okay, no, it doesn't look like we're gonna get down there. I was gonna say if it gets to like that 1-minute demand, we could just take it up to the supply here. But it looks like we're about to tap. And then the big zone, there's the 5-minute on GU, but you can't scale down this smaller green candle because it's red. This candle right there is like tapping into it. So I don't know. I just want to see the reaction from the supply though, because I don't really want to take that supply. We're breaking highs to get up to that supply, so I'm chilling. I like GU supply, EMA and breaker structure, though trend could be changing, so demand high, so demand might be the way. I'm gonna guess that's what you said. I like the demand more. Like as I'm saying, you guys can still see the screen. Like we're breaking. I made a video on this about liquidity span amount, but we're breaking one high, breaking. This is another. Okay, well, then we're breaking like 2 highs to get to that, and we're breaking that there to get to that supply. Yeah, we're about to tap into it now. Wait, yeah, we're tapping into that supply now. We've broken a few highs to get up there. So I don't know. Let's see the reaction from it though. Even there could be like a good reaction. It could get breaker candle, but then that breaker candle's tapping into the 5-minute and the 1-minute. So honestly, there's a few things that could happen. There's honestly a few things that could happen. See, it's getting a good reaction. I don't think I'm gonna take the supply though. I'm gonna pass on the supply and see the reaction from the demand. There is also a 1-hour confluence with the supply though. But like the EMA is flat, it's cutting right through the middle. I honestly just think we're going to continue up bullish. Yeah, I think we're just going to continue up. I don't know about the 1-minute supply. I mean the 5-minute supply. Yeah, honestly, I don't know about that supply, if it's gonna hold. Just hit 1 or 2, or you took that EU setup. Good shit, bro. Yeah, I see it just hit 1 or 2 as well. Good shit, bro. Yeah, this is the setup he took on EU. Yeah, he just took this on EU. That's a 1 minute demand. There was 5 minute confidence as well. Hit that 1 or 2. Good shit. That was a quality setup. Except I don't like the way the 5 minute looks. Like that 5 minute demand there doesn't look like the best one. But the 1 minute looks really clean though. Good shit. That was a good setup. Let's see, GU pushing up. Looks a little messy. Let's delete some zones. Just clean this. So GU broke out that supply. So I got high hopes for that demand if we get back down there. Yeah, if we get down to that demand, I'm looking to get in that. Yeah, GU is like the setup. I'm hoping GU is the setup. I'm hoping we get back down there. You've been treating me good, bro. I don't know about EU. I used to trade it, but I don't trade EU anymore. Like there could be potential in GU. I'm just hoping it taps back into that demand. Like there's potential that we can keep going up for like there's a bunch of liquidity sitting up top here. There's this big gap on the 4 hour here with the supply. There's a supply right there, and then there's that big gap. There's so much potential in GU. There's also a lot of liquidity sitting up top here. But GU's been moving look at the way GU's been moving. Let's zoom in a bit. Like look at the consolidation that why is it doing that? Look at the consolidation GU's been in. Like look at that. All of this right there. All of this price action's been terrible on GU. That's why I'm a little bit scared. And I lost on GU as well already, so on Tuesday. So we honestly just gotta see, but I have high hopes for this demand if we tap back in there. If we tap into this demand, I think we might be actually chilling. GJ is still also it's tapping into demand down here, it looks like. But that's not we're breaking way too many lows to get to that. My bad, I just watched a funny ass Instagram reel. Shit. Yeah, GU actually looks like we're pushing down. We could actually, GU could be the one. Let's see. GJ, nothing. US30, nothing. I believe US30 has a demand though, but I don't think I'm looking to take that. There's a demand on US30, like up here, like way up here. This is a red candle on TradingView, and then there's a 1 minute. Yeah, this 1 minute candle right here is the 1 minute demand as well, right there. So there's potential in US30, but this is way too high, and we're getting way too close to stock exchange open. So I'm waiting on this. I'm waiting on this GU demand. That's the best setup. Everything's so dead. Everything is so dead. I want movement. I want action. Everything's moving so slow. Come. We must pick up some pace now. For real, we must pick up some pace. And GU's rejecting back up. Bro, we just needed GU to tap and we would have been set. If GU just tapped, we would have been set. Let's see what Stock Exchange Open does. If Stock Exchange Open does something good, then we're going to be chilling. Putting back on the 4 pairs because GU is not coming back down. GU is holding on 1 minute demand for now. Let's check that 1 minute demand. Oh, I see there. You know what? A lot of these do end up holding for like a bit and then they fake out. And I'm not taking only 1 minute demand setups or supply setups. Like there has to be a 5 minute. Like if there's no 5 minute, then I'm not taking it. This is too much of a risk. I'm not like only trading 1 minute. I've got 5 minute confluence and we just getting in on the 1 minute. That's why, yeah, it looks like it could hold. Maybe we do hold on this 1 minute. Like, yeah, there's a lot of momentum, but we wanted to tap into this lower demand right here. Then we chilling. Just this demand here is what I want. Okay, well, stock exchange open is in 9 minutes. Let's hope we can get something good to happen. Maybe NAS decides to drop and tap into that demand, or maybe even US30 decides to tap into that lower demand. Then we'd actually be then we'd be chilling. But the odds of that actually happening pretty low. Oh, days like this are so ass. Stock exchange opens in what, 5 minutes now? Stock exchange open is in what, 3 minutes now? Let's get ready. Let's see. Hopefully something gets created during stock exchange open. Hopefully something holds. I'm hoping GU comes back into this demand here, taps out 1 minute, and then we get into a buy. Let's see. There's nothing that we can take at the moment. Alright, 2 minutes now. Let's see. What website do you use for news? I use Forex Factory. In my opinion, it's probably like the best. It's actually like the only one I've used, but I've looked at some other ones to look at news. But Forex Factory has never let me down. So yeah, that's the one I use. Hello, bro. How you doing? HLO. Hello, bro. How you doing? Let's see. 30 seconds until stock exchange open. Let's see. I'm hoping something good happens. I'm hoping we tap or create into I'm hoping we just get something good. Maybe tap into GU or NAS and US30 create something. Let's see. Okay, 10 seconds now. 10 seconds. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Why is it such a weak ass open? There's no volume in the market, I swear. There's absolutely zero volume. Is there any more news today? No, there's no news today as well. So this is what we get. NAS is pushing up still. US30 is tapped into that demand. And the 1 minute. Okay, no, it broke out the 1 minute. Okay, yeah. US30 looks like it's dropping, but NAS looks like it's still pushing up. Yeah, let's just delete these zones. They're invalid. Delete and delete. But NAS looks like we still deciding to push up. US30 we dropping. It would be kind of crazy if we get down to that 5 minute demand at the bottom, but that is a very big drop. If we get to like down here, that would be crazy, but that's a big drop. GJ, nothing. GU could also look like we're getting down to this demand here. Just joined the live, but JPY hit supply and demand 30 minutes ago. You saw it? 30 minutes? Hit what? A supply and a demand? Where? I see that there was like a demand here, but I ain't taking that because we broke way too many lows to get to it. There was that on GJ. And then I don't really see anything else. There was like a supply there, but that was like in between a liquidity grab. So now I didn't see anything that I liked on GJ. Okay, US30 looks like it just dropped and now we're pushing up. Yeah. Demand, sorry. Yeah, okay, about the demand, we broke too many lows to get to this demand here. I don't like taking supply and demand where we break too many lows, like broke a low right here, we broke a low here, broke a low there and there. So I ain't taking that though. But it looks like a 1. I like the most recent zones. That's what I like taking, but let's see. GU is also moving quite slow. Nothing moving like fast or anything. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just close that and this. They don't look like they're coming back down, so I'm gonna just close US30 and NAS. We can still look at them, but they honestly don't look like they're getting back down. That does not look like it's coming back down anytime soon. Same with US30. US30 is super bullish. Yeah, those two aren't coming back down. So it's either between GU throws us a setup or GJ. Or we get like a setup on like another pair that we could look to take. Are you doing a challenge? Which firm? I'm taking a challenge on Monday. I'm not sure yet which firm. I'll probably have decided by like this weekend, and I'll let you guys know. But Monday next week, I'm taking a challenge. If everything goes according to plan and I find a nice prop firm to use, Monday I'm taking a challenge. I'll probably end up doing like, I don't know, it just depends. Either I do a 25k or I do a 15k or do a 10k. So those are the three that I'm looking at, but I just gotta find which prop firm to use. And then I'll definitely let you guys know in the Discord which prop firm I'm hopping on. And let's see. Check fivers. I'm currently on it. GU 0 spread and NAS 0.80. 0.8. I looked at the fivers a bit. They looked alright. I'm gonna let you guys know though. I'm in the 5% prop firm. I'm a guess that you also mean fivers. I don't know. And till now, very solid, no time limit. Also spreads already nice. Yeah, I'm looking at a few prop firms that I could potentially use. Like Fixify is one that I'm looking at. Also, they look like they have good spreads and stuff. And I also need oh yeah, I think it's the fivers. I don't think you can use MetaTrader. I'm not too sure. I mean, what am I saying? Not MetaTrader. Use Magic Keys. Because some prop firms don't allow you to connect like an external device. So yeah. The fivers has a bad leverage node. Yeah, 25-1 on NAS is quite small. I will not lie. 25-1 is quite small, and Forex pairs is 1-100. You can use Magic Keys. If you can use Magic Keys, I'll definitely look at them, because that's just the biggest. That I don't know. I'm using Magic Keys. I'm using MT5 with Magic Keys with fivers. Okay, that is a good thing. I have fivers down in here to look at in my notes. Can I open my notes? Yeah, I've got the fivers. I've got a few prop firms that I'm gonna look at. GU supply. There's no GU supply. We broke out GU supply. I don't see any. I'm looking to take a GU demand right now if we tap into that. But I don't see any GU supplies. There's like a low probability one up here, but that is like a hideous supply. I'm looking to hop into this demand if we tap. I guess there's a 15-minute supply. Actually, I should check on that. Let me just see that 15-minute supply. Ooh, that is going against the demand I'm looking to take on the 15-minute. Yeah, there's a one. Oh, that's a little bit risky now. I don't know. I want to see the reaction from the 1 minute. I'm gonna just hop over right to the 1 minute time frame and mark up the demand just so I can watch it properly. But there's the 1 minute demand I'm looking at in the 5 minute. but it's going against the 15-minute and the 1 hour supply. So it honestly just depends on the reaction we get from the zone. Yes, you can only trade like 9 to 11 perps to have a 1% risk on NAS. If 9 below, only 0.5%. Alright, I see. GU has a 15-minute. Okay, I read that. Well, then I'll look at the fivers then, because the biggest thing is that is about magic keys. A lot of prop firms don't allow you to use magic keys. So yeah, but I'm liking Fixify. Fixify, I'm still doing more research on them, reading all their rules and stuff. But Fixify looks like the prop firm I might be going with. But you know, I'll let you guys know soon. Let's see. I hope we tap into that demand on GU. I don't know if the 15-minute is gonna hold. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna hold. Or the 1 hour. Like the 1 hour isn't like the cleanest of clean supplies. There's a lot of liquidity above GU, which I'm looking at GU. Don't worry, bro. I'm waiting for it to tap into that demand if we do, but there's 15-minute supply and a 1 hour supply. But I'm liking the demand if we get a good reaction. Let's see, we're about to get down to that 1 minute. See, there's like a lot of liquidity sitting up top here that we could come for, and there's this big gap that still needs to be filled. So like, I'm liking taking the demand. It makes sense to me. Fixify looks Fixify looks good in my opinion. Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. And they have pretty good pricing as well, so I'm liking it. Has Doyle taken anything? Yeah, he took a NAS supply. Someone was telling me in chat, and he lost before news. It was like one down here, but I'll show you guys just now. I just want to watch GU. Yeah, but have they said anything about MT 4 and 5? Because no prop firm is gonna have it as far as I know. Wait, what? Are all prop firms getting taken off MetaTrader? See, this is why I want to kind of also wait to see what happens with prop firms. Like, why I'm just thinking, like, why don't I just wait until like all the dramas happen? Maybe wait until like Q2, like April, beginning of April, to take a challenge then. Because I'm low-key scared I take a challenge now and then they get taken off MetaTrader. Then I have to go, and I can't really switch to a new platform because I have to rebuy Magic Keys. I have the digital version of Magic Keys. So honestly, like, there's a bit of risk to it. Or I just go back to trading on my personal. Say, screwed prop firms, screwed trying to pass the challenge. Go right back to trading personal accounts. Why are we not getting back to this demand? Can we just get back? I've been waiting on this demand for so long already now. Can we please just get back there? Please, no, why? This is so annoying. Yeah, honestly, it does not look like that 15-minute supply is gonna hold. That rejection is quite large right there. But why aren't we tapping into that 1 minute? I wish it just like pushed down a bit to that 1 minute, and then we could just needed to push. Like, how many more pips was that? There was like like 1.4 pips and we would have been in the demand. We would have been chilling then. Looks like it's reacting off of these two. If you draw it over two candles like that, it looks like it's reacting like that. Gave break a candle as well. So we're probably gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Let's wait for NAS. By talking about NAS demand down here. I don't think we're getting there in my session, I won't lie to you. NAS is too far and there's no high probability set up there. On US30 also demand down here, but the odds of it coming back down there is gonna take way too long. Maybe if they have their own regulator broker, they won't lose meta quotes, but I am not really up to date on props right now. Yeah, I'll ask like their team and stuff and see what they say. But yeah, but Fixify looks good. I think if it reaches that low probability setup in NAS, which you mentioned, there's a chance it will hold because of the 1 minute supply inside. Oh, you want me 1 minute demand inside it? Let's check. That's the low probability right there, and the 1 minute. The 1 minute. Let me just check on TradingView to make sure, because MetaTrader does give false information sometimes. Let's just see. The 1 minute demand is also low probability in it, so I don't even think it's gonna end up winning, even off that low probability. So I'm good. Might take UJ swing low with no breaker structure. I'll pull that up now. NAS new demand has a tiny gap. Which NAS new demand? On the 5 minute. Where? Bro, where on NAS? Look, I got on NAS pulled up, there's no demand. That's low probability. There's one down here that's got a gap right there. But there's nothing there. I don't see any gap. But yeah. Just waiting for GU. That's all I want. He telling the 1 minute low? Oh, the 1 minute doesn't have a gap either though. Yeah, like I'm on the 1 minute. Look, there's still no gap. There's a demand there, but that's low probability. That got filled in. There's a gap here though, but that's only a 1 minute demand. We need 5 minute and 1 minute, so I don't see anything else though. Being back testing 5 minute S&D, looking for 1 minute S&D looks okay. The one above, oh, this one here. GJ demand. Let's pull up GJ. Oh yeah, it isn't a demand. Damn. It didn't have a clean breaker structure though, it's the only problem. Let me just look. NAS I don't see anything that I'd personally take, but let me just look at GJ. Let's see. So actually, it's getting close to that 1 minute demand as well. There's a 1 minute demand inside GJ as well, so I don't even mind looking at this. Let's see if we tap that 1 minute demand though. Yeah, there's that 1 minute demand on GJ, the lowest one, and then inside the 5 minute. But the 5 minute, as you can see, it didn't have like the best breaker structure. Like we broke like this minor high there, but that's not even really a breaker structure. So this is like a no breaker structure demand. Check the high time frame. Yeah, I don't know about this. But we can see what happens. Just turn this off. Let's see if we get into that demand, that 1 minute though. I'm still waiting on GU if we get back down to that 1 minute. Maybe GJ decides to be nice. I suggest not to switch to the 1 minute, especially if you're going to do a firm. It's been hard for me since the spread and commission. Even if you have low spread, the commission will be high because of lot size. Yeah, but what are you taking? If you're taking only 1-to-1, then I understand. Then I also wouldn't suggest it. But if you're taking a 1-to-2 on the 1 minute, then it kind of evens out, even if there's high commission. So it honestly just depends. So my minimum RR on the 1 minute is 1-to-2. And I'm looking for like those 1-to-3s as well, but we don't get them too often. But yeah, that is what I'm also looking for. So it's not like I'm only going for 1-to-1. I don't even go for 1-to-1s on the 1 minute. So yeah. Just what are you looking for in the 1 minute? Because I feel like it kind of balances out if we go for 1-to-2. Now we got two potential demands. It's either GJ 1 minute we get a tap, or GU and we get a tap. GU is so low, think it's time we go bullish. Exactly, that's why I'm waiting for it to tap that 1 minute. Yeah, GU is quite. Let me check the. Yeah, GU is been dropping. Let me see if there's like a 4-hour demand maybe as well. That would give us a lot more confidence. It's a low probability demand. Let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also a low probability demand. Yeah, I don't know. GJ, I'm hoping that we tap into that 1 minute demand though first. Also, I'm not taking it. I've recently just made the switch to only taking 1 minute entries. There has to be a 5 minute demand there as well. Let me just mark up that 1 minute. There's that 1 minute right there. So we need to tap into that, and then we'll be good. Got to do what works for you. I am profitable on the 5 min with looking for entries on the 1 min. Let's go, bro. I'm also profitable on it. I haven't taken a single losing setup with the 5 minute and the 1 minute yet. So yeah, I'm chilling. Been trading Doyle Strat for almost 2 years, and I found a relief doing the 15 minute instead. Very minimum commission and can go 1-to-1. Can't go 1-to-1 in 5 min. I mean, the 5 minute 1-to-1 gets hit pretty often, but if you go the 5 minute and the 1 minute, you get 1-to-2s consistently. That's what I've been trading. So yeah, it honestly just depends. I like the 1 minute though. I'm liking the 1 minute. I'm getting used to it. I've taken only 2 setups on the 1 minute so far. It was on Tuesday. You can watch in stream. I'm probably gonna make that a video as well. I'll probably have that uploaded by like tomorrow if I decide to, of me live trading it. And then last week Thursday, I took it's on YouTube. You can go see. I took a live trading with Doyle's strategy Doyle's new strategy on the 1 minute. So yeah, it's been working for me. Okay, so GJ might tap, but I do see a few red flags. We're holding on multiple 1 minute supplies. If you can see, we're holding on two supplies to get to this demand, so it decreases the chance. But honestly, I just want to see the reaction at the zone if it holds. Let's see, we're getting close though. We're just holding on like 1-2 supplies, which is kind of iffy. And the 5 minute hasn't really had a good reaction yet. Let's see what the 1 minute does when it taps, if it taps. Yeah, but I've been profitable so far taking just 5 minute supply demand with the 1 minute scale down. Like I've been hitting really good setups. That's why I'm switching over to only taking 5 minute plus 1 minute supply and demand. Been working really well for me, so that's why I like it. Let's see, we're about to tap into that thing. Just get magic key set up in case. Okay, nah, honestly, yeah, it looks like it's about to break the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, wait, I think it broke. I'm sure. Yeah, okay, no, never mind. GJ's invalid. It broke out the zone. Let me check. Yeah, it broke out the 5 minute as well. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. GJ's invalid. It broke out the zone. Just delete that. Close this. Okay. GU's our last option if we get back down there into the demand. Let's see, US30 looks like it's getting ready to drop. Yeah, US30 might come fill in these gaps. Yeah. But GJ, yeah, is done. Like, look, you can see it was holding on these supplies here. It was holding on these supplies on the 1 minute, and then decided to just keep dropping. But we still got GU 5 minute. But yeah, that's it pretty much. GU 5 minute plus 1 minute. But if that doesn't hold, then I don't know. I'll be here for like another half an hour maybe. What I do, not telling you to do, I wait for price to move out the 1 minute zone at least 5 pips. I feel like you missed this setup though. I get in that break a candle. I understand what you're saying though, but like I've backtested. I've actually backtested so much with 5 minute and 1 minute setups. Like I can pull up my spreadsheet on it. I backtested November last year, December last year. Those months were pretty okay on it, but I feel like the market conditions are shifting a bit. And this year with the 5 minute and the 1 minute has been absolutely insane. Like I'm pulling up my spreadsheet right now. I'll show you guys. Letting it load. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so the first section here, this is all right here. All of this here is 2024 and some 2024. So this is like trading on NAS. Like NAS was pretty good. Like there was no losses when I was back testing the 5 minute and the 1 minute on NAS. And then GU in November had like so many losing setups on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. But then I was back testing like the stuff that's highlighted here is like only 2024. This was February, and yeah, this has been like the whole of February. Like the results, I only had like 2 losses back testing it, and then the rest went for like 1 to 2 minimum. If you just look at the highlighted parts, that's why I'm liking how the 5 minute and the 1 minute supply and demand is moving in 2024. Like it's going crazy. Like the highest set, like there was getting like consistent like 1 to 4s and stuff like that. But I found that you can like get 1 to 2s like every time. It's either a 1 to 2 or it's a loss. That's what I was looking at and what I back tested. So the highlighted once again is just 2024. Actually, it's only February. What am I saying? Yeah, look, second. So this is all this month that I've back tested, and I've taken some of these setups. And then some of this here is like NAS. This is like last year, and then there's 4 setups from this year, Jan, and then yeah. But 2024 is where it's been working a lot. So I'm happy with the results I'm getting on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So I'm sticking to that. GJ probably have a liquidity grab. I mean, it actually could. It actually could. But I don't know. I'm still waiting on GU. Yeah, actually, it has a lot of momentum, or a lot of pushing up on this liquidity grab. I guess rejecting it quite a bit. I could either take this or wait on GU. If we close above, if we close above this line, then I don't know. I don't know if I want to take GU. I'm liking just sticking to supply and demand. So I don't know about GJ. If it even is valid. Let's see first. Yeah, it might be invalid. Let's see. Yeah, I don't even think GJ liquidity grab's gonna be valid. I don't know. Let's see, there's 20 seconds until candle close. I think I'm gonna pass up on this setup though. I'm still waiting on GU demand. I swear, watch, I'm passing up on a winning setup. I'm calling it. This is gonna be a winning. Okay, so GJ looks valid. We're about to get candle close in 2 seconds. I swear, how much you wanna bet I'm passing up on a closing on a winning setup? Okay, let's see if we get break a candle. Okay, let's see. I'm calling it. I'm passing up on a winning setup, but I'm chilling. Still waiting on GU. Okay, no, yeah, maybe not. Maybe you should put the time of entry when you do backtest. It's really helpful, so you can see what time. Yeah, bro, I'm supposed to be doing that. There's actually a section to do it, but I be so lazy sometimes. So I backtest super early in the morning, because I literally don't have time, like during the day. Like my schedule's really busy, because of school. School takes up most of my day. But I wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning to backtest, and I backtest until 7 a.m. before school, because I don't have any time. But I'll be so lazy in the morning, that I just forget to put the time. But I definitely need to be doing that. G, you're not coming back? Yeah. G does not look like it's coming back. But yeah, I'm supposed to be putting in in what time I do take that. I'll go over the setups and I'll put the time. Maybe we could even be getting into GJ if it still stays valid. But let's see. It is a counter trend liquidity grab. Let's see the 15 minute. Like there's no reaction from a grabbing liquidity. Like we need a big wick, like a nice big wick, to show us that we wanna. Yeah, I don't think GJ is gonna be it. But GU does not look like it's coming back now. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Let's see how this candle plays out. Okay, we're getting a good reaction now. Let's hope we close above the zone. Close above that line again. I won on GU 1-2. What did you take? I didn't see shit to take on GU. I've been waiting on GU 1 minute. I'm gonna guess that you probably drew it over 2 candles like that, and then got in. Because then, wait, let's see, 8 pips. Yeah, it's almost that 1 to 2. Makes sense if you got in like that. Nah, I don't think GJ is worth taking. There's not really a reaction. GU created a demand with major breaker structure. Oh yeah, right here. On TradingView it's valid right there. But on MetaTrader it doesn't look valid. That could potentially be it. My 1 minute candle zone wasn't the same as yours. Oh, I see. So you didn't take GU because of the 1 minute? Yeah, it didn't tap into my 1 minute demand. I'm trying to be really strict that we didn't tap into that. What I have marked up now, this candle that I just marked up, we didn't tap into that, so I'm not taking the setup. But yeah, I'm strict on my rules. 5 minute breaker candle still works. I'm only taking the 1 minute. On GU, I saw you lost a lot. Try to eliminate the trades. I lost a lot, but that was in that was last year though. So it wasn't those losses that you saw on my spreadsheet was last year November on GU. But GU this year in February has been like the most consistent one on the 1 minute. That's why I'm liking GU on the 1 minute. It was just last year where it was a bit rough on the 1 minute where it had back-to-back losing trades. But yeah. Try to eliminate the trades between 7:55 and 8:35. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna look at that. Let me know the results if you have more wins. I did back test and forward test, and I saw winning setups on 7:55 to 8:35. Alright. On Oyanda, the second candle is only high probability. I use FXCM for forex pairs, and then use Oyanda for indices. It just matches my broker. It matches with Fusion Markets. But how do you draw these lines? What lines? I've just got normal boxes. These 2 lines here is magic keys that you have to buy. Look at Euro JPY supply. Let's pull that up. Euro JPY. I don't even think I've ever looked at Euro JPY. Is it here? No. Let's search that. Euro JPY. Let's see. The supply. Let's see what bro's on about. I mean, yeah, that looks valid. That looks super valid. Good shit if you're gonna take that. I mean, hopefully it gets back up there. And there's 1 minute there's a 1 minute supply in it as well. So yeah, that's a valid setup if you do end up waiting on it. Yeah, okay, no, GJ liquidity is not valid anymore. We're just gonna delete that and wait. Maybe GGU comes back into this supply here. I mean, this demand here. But if not, yeah, I don't know. I just want to see something. GBP, USD, Oyanda. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I see what GU says. About that demand and it being low probability, and then the 1 minute. I don't know how you got in on the 1 minute. That zone's kind of big, but I see the 5 minute. Yeah, I see. Is GU setup even valid? Yeah, it looks like it just passed it. The supply. Oh no, it's like the candles are the same on TradingView. I guess we're gonna wait on that. Does it have 1 minute? No, it doesn't even have 1 minute. Okay, never mind. GU doesn't even have 1 minute confidence. Or it doesn't have a 1 minute zone. So I'm gonna delete that as well. That's not even valid. Honestly, I don't even think we're gonna get anything else. Maybe if US30 comes down to this demand down here, caught that GU supply on the 1 minute. What supply on the 1 minute? What supply? I don't see any supplies. I won't lie to you on GU. Yeah, I don't see any supplies. Maybe you're talking about a demand. But I don't see any supplies. US30 could be the last hope. We have another 52 minutes of trading, and then I call it a day. But I'd like to take a setup before 10:30. EU liquidity grab setup, I'll go look at that now. It's 5 minute plus 1 minute on the supply, or are you talking about a demand? Because I don't see any supplies on GU, but I do see a demand that there was, that someone else also took. EU liquidity grab, let's see. Oh yeah, EU's got a valid liquidity grab. Let me pull that up for you guys. EU, where's EU now? Yeah, EU's got a 5 minute liquidity grab right there. That's valid if you're gonna get in a break. That's like super valid. Good shit if you're gonna take that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But we're waiting patiently. 5 minute plus 1 minute on a supply. I don't see any supplies on GU, but I see a demand. It was this demand that played out, that someone else also took. Yeah, US30 actually could be our last saving hope. If we get down to, I'm gonna just draw it over 2 candles for now until it gets closer. But it is over that bottom candle, the lowest one. My bad, it's NAS. Oh wait, what supply on NAS? NAS been crazy bullet unless you went like further back. Wait, let me go look at that. Okay, nah, that's not how I trade supply and demand. Okay, I see which one you took then. Let me see if that works out. That's from like long ago. I don't like taking the supply and demands from way too long ago, like this setup on GU or on NAS one. Let me just see. No, that didn't even tap. Now I don't know what you took, bro. 5 minute plus 1 minute on NAS. Yeah, you're gonna have to send me that setup. I have no idea what you took. No idea. 5 minute and plus 1 minute. Okay. US30 could be our savior. I will not lie to you guys. US30 could actually get back. And there's 1 minute as well. So let's see. Let's see if we get back. US30 saved us on Tuesday. Hopefully it can save us again today on Thursday. US30 literally saved us on Tuesday, so maybe today it could save us again. We're getting like pretty close onto that supply. I mean that demand. We're getting closer. Yeah, this actually, I'm hoping. Let me draw that 1 minute as well. So the 1 minute, so I have it marked up like this on TradingView, and then the 1 minute is this candle right there, like that. It is kind of looking very small, but that's the 1 minute as well. It doesn't even look good to look at. So I'm gonna just close that until we get closer. It doesn't look good. I sent it to you on IG. Let me go look. Let me look real quick. Oh, I see. When was it though? Oh, why didn't you tell me it was before news? It was the okay. Oh, I see which setup. Okay, he took this setup. He should have told me it was before news, and then I would have been able to look. Okay, I can't. Wait, let's do this. It looks so. I'm gonna just go over to TradingView, because it looks so ugly on MetaTrader. Let me just go to TradingView, and I'll show you guys which setup he's talking about. Good shit though. That actually looks that looks pretty good. I wasn't on. Yeah, it happened like as soon as my session time opened. So yeah, I started looking at the charts at around about. Okay, let me just fix this to my. I look at the charts at around here at like 7:15, 7:20, but I'm in school at that time. So he took this supply here. He had that, and then you could have scaled that to the 1 minute. Let's see. There's that 1 minute supply as well, right, like that, and then just shift it over. That's it. Yeah, I won't lie to you, this is really good. I would have gotten in on break of the candle, like right there. You could have had stops, a few pups. Well, actually, I don't know, you probably would have gone stopped out before. It depends where your entry was, I guess. Let's just go like that. It already gave that 1 to 2 before coming back all the way, and then if you didn't get the 1 to 2, then you could have held and you would have hit that. It went even further than 1 to 2. Further than a 1 to 2. That was a good setup, bro. I won't lie to you. That was a really good setup. But let's see. US30 is getting closer. Let's just turn that off. Okay. US30 is getting closer. It's getting very, very close to our demand zone. Let's see if we get back down there. Yeah, the US30 is gonna have to save us, just like it did on Monday. I mean, on Tuesday. We're getting close. If you draw it over 2 candles, it's actually also really close like that. But the 1 minute zone is the one down here. So we gotta kind of wait still. But this could actually be our last hope. There's 15-minute confluence. Okay. I wouldn't even like to get looking at it on the higher time frame. US30 actually looks so clean. Okay, so if you actually look on it on the 15 minute, there's a 15-minute demand marked up exactly like that. Go to the 30 minute, there's 30-minute demand. Go to the 1 hour, there's a 1 hour demand. And then okay, there's no 40-minute, 4 hours, sorry, but there's a 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute plus 1 minute. Like, there's no way. US30 is a 15-minute zone. Don't be surprised if the 1 minute doesn't get tapped. Honestly, I won't even be surprised. But you know what? I'm hoping for the best. Because that 1 minute zone. Let me see. The 1 minute zone is kind of low down. It's all the way down. Okay, let me make it neat. Let me make it neat so you guys can see. So that's the 5 minute zone. Drop to the 1 minute. The 1 minute is also over that as well. It's literally the same candle. So let's see if we can even get down to that. The 1 minute and the 5 minute is the same candle. So honestly, let's see if we even get down there. But yeah, there's 15-minute confluence as well, and 1 hour. So, see, I think it's already tapping into that 1 hour zone. Yeah, it's already no, it doesn't look like it has yet. So we could actually still continue down. Let's see though if we get that. I'm hoping we get back down. Like, come on, just. I hope it saves us. Like, how much on we're gonna end up getting into the 5 minute zone? It's just gonna like give a fake out and lose, or it's just not gonna hold. But I'm hoping for the best right now. See, like none of my other pairs are doing anything. Like GJ is just moving terrible. GU, if it just tapped into our demand, we would have been chilling. NAS is like might also push down, but it looks like there's a lot less volume on NAS. Looks like the volume's also slowing down on US30. So honestly, I don't even know if we're gonna get back into that zone even. I'm hoping. If it doesn't tap in the next 30 minutes, I ain't even taking it. My trading time ends at 11 a.m. So if we don't even get there, Yeah, I ain't even taking a TradingView or FX Replay for backtesting. I've only recently started using FX Replay, and I'd say it's a lot better in my opinion. It moves a lot faster. There's some annoying things about FX Replay, but I guess you can't change that. But I'd say FX Replay. It's a lot better, in my opinion. No, why? We are moving the wrong way. Literally, we're moving the wrong way. There's no way we start pushing out before it taps into the zone. No, why? Why are we pushing the wrong way? No. If it only tapped and then decided to stop pushing. There's a GJ supply, but I'm breaking it down on TradingView first. Let's see if this is even valid. Okay, there's a GJ supply, but it's getting late in the day. I only got 30 minutes left of my trading session, so if we don't even tap into the supply, I'm calling it then. GU is coming off 1 hour supply zone. Let me check GU. That's a low probability supply zone. I don't even think that's gonna hold. GU looks like it's just gonna continue going up now. Yeah, there's nothing pulling GU back now. I'm not looking for sells on that. US30 was supposed to be the savior for us, but it doesn't look like it's coming back. Maybe, oh yeah, on this GJ supply there is a 5 minute and a 1 minute, but let's see. We're following trend. We are quite low though. Let me just check the time frames and just make sure. Honestly, GJ supply doesn't even look too terrible. It's just the only thing is that it's a little bit low. We've been dropping for quite a bit on GJ, but there's a 5 minute and a 1 minute. Got to break a structure. It's also grabbing liquidity, so I need to see how that candle forms as well. But honestly, there's a 1 minute zone inside. This is high probability on TradingView, just like that. So we could wait for that. Let me just draw that properly with the line so you can see it like that. That's high probability on TradingView. Let me see. The slow volume on US30 is a good sign. It tells us 90% chance that price won't break through the demand. How are we even gonna get to the demand in the next 30 minutes? Like I'm closing the workshop if we don't tap by 11 o'clock. For me it's 6 o'clock, so it's already too late in the day. 11 is my cutoff time. Doyle hasn't posted anything to his story, so he could also be looking for a setup still. Let's see. I don't even think US 30 is going to get back to this demand. And NAS is, yeah. NAS is being weird. But today was actually like a terrible price action there. Like there was not a single good set. Like, was there even a winning setup like on the pairs I traded? The 4 pair, like there was one early before I started trading on the 1 minute. Like there was nothing good here. News kind of ruined the day. GJ, like what was it? We didn't tap that supply. There was nothing like high probability worth taking on GU. Let's see. I mean, I guess that was that. There was this demand over here, but it wasn't valid for me. It needed to tap the zone there. So that was also didn't tap. Like there was nothing really good for the day. And NAS also just shot up. And that was it. So it was literally like no good setups today. I'm waiting. We got 30 minutes though if we get back into this GJ supply. I'm hoping we do. Makes a lot of sense to take this supply though. There's a lot of bearish momentum to the downside on the higher time frame. So honestly, this looks pretty good to take if we get back there. 1 hour, that's a low probability demand, so that's not bothering me. Yeah, this could be a potential setup if we tap into that zone. Where do you put your stop loss when trading the 1 minute? So you get in a break a candle. You usually put your stop loss by the top of the wick, but now since we're on the 1 minute, you got to give your stop loss a little bit of space. So I put it usually like a 1 pip above the wick or the candle. So yeah, I can show you an example. Let's just look at this just for hypothetically. Let me pull up TradingView. Okay, let's say hypothetically we got into this GJ demand. I mean this GU demand. Okay, so usually on the 5 minute we'd have our stop loss like that. Sorry, let me fix that. We'd have it right underneath the candle, but on the 1 minute you just give it a little bit of space. You give it like a pip, like you give it like that much space. Maybe even a little bit more if you, it depends how the setup looks and stuff. You just give it a little bit of space to play out. So that's what I do look for though. So I look to just put a little bit lower, because sometimes the 1 minute likes to just come back like right there and then start pushing up. Like it would give you a breaking candle, it would come down to like there and then push up. I have seen that quite a bit. That's why I have lowered my stop loss a bit. You missed out on a lot of setups because of the 1 minute. I'm sticking to my rules. I don't even care. GJ liquidity, it is a liquidity grab, but the supply makes a lot of sense. What do you think of 4 hour demand on GJ? It's a low probability demand, so I'm not even worried about it. Yeah, it's low probability, as you can see. There's no gap attached to that 4 hour demand. So and it's like right at the bottom of the zone, so I don't even think that's gonna end up holding. And then the 5 minute liquidity grab, which is right there as well, that we closed above. Right there. I don't even think that's going to end up holding. I think we're going to tap into the supply and then maybe drop. But I guess we have 30 minutes to do so. US 30 is still... Let me put that back in. US 30 is still up there. So, yeah. We got to just be patient. But I have, 28 more minutes for it to tap? Well, so I'm not taking anything. But yeah, once like I was saying earlier, there was not a single quality setup today. A boring ass day. Very, very boring. Yeah, honestly, I don't even see it coming back. I don't even see it coming back up to that supply. It's probably just gonna continue down. Yo, what's good, my bro? Hey, yo. I don't know how to say your name. Is it Claudio? I'm pretty sure on Discord, bro. It's late. I haven't taken a single thing today. Not a single quality setup presented itself. Like, the charts look terrible. I got this GJ supply here, but honestly, I don't even think we're gonna tap it in the next 25 minutes. So today is probably looking like a no trade day, unless somehow, some way, the market decides to come all the way back up here into the 1 minute supply, and then we'd look for an entry. But I doubt that's gonna happen. But yeah, no trade day. How's your day though, bro? Yeah, GG is done. Yeah, it's just gonna keep dropping. Haha, you can call me Aura. Nas supply counter trend is low probability. It's a low probability supply right there. I'm not. Wait, is it? Let me check TradingView. Is it? Yeah, no, that's low probability. I'm not looking to take that. If it was high probability, could be a chance. But nah, I was waiting on this US30 demand for quite some time, but it does not look like we're getting back there. Then we had this GJ supply that was created, but it looks like we're just dropping. We might have broken out of that 4-hour demand as well. GU top. I mean, it's dropping now. Let's see. There's nothing that you could have already taken off of GU. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know about if GJ is coming back. I'm also not. I don't want to force a setup, so I'm gonna just stick to my rules. My day's been calm, just looking for setups, not really taking anything serious right now, but I haven't even found a single setup today. Yeah, but no trade day. I swear I've never had this many no trade days before. In like the whole of February, I've never had this many no trade days. Like, there's been so many. Like, let me open up my trading journal real quick. Like, just this month alone, let's see. Well, one. Okay, I'm lying. Okay, there's been like no trade days, but yeah. In the whole of, actually most of Feb, but yeah. Thoughts on Doyle not taking full losses, winning 3 to 6K, but losing 1K consistently, bro? He cuts his L's. It's a good thing that he does. Like, he's mastered cutting L's. Like, I wish I was as good as him at cutting L's, cutting his losses. But yeah, that's like the end goal, to become as good as him in cutting the losses. Because that's what makes him profitable. If he was letting his stop loss get hit every single time, I don't even think he'd be profitable. The profitable part is from him cutting his losses. He makes like a $3,000 loss cut into like maybe like a $900 loss. So that's why he on top. But it takes a lot of time and experience to get to being able to cut losses like that. It doesn't just happen. Yeah, it's really testing you mentally. Me, I had so many no trade days. It's not even funny. I don't know why the market's been so dry and just moving so slow. It's crazy. I don't know why. I got 23 minutes left until my trading time stops. So if we don't get a tap by then, I'm done. He always wins on 945 setups on NAS with high pip. Like his risk is about 3 to 4K, but always win on those trades. Damn, yeah. I mean, Doyle's best pay is Nas. Like he said it over and over. Like his wifey is Nas. So it makes sense though. He's like mastered how to trade Nas. Yeah. That's what I want to be soon. But you know what? I gotta get profitable first. We need to get. Just take it in slow steps. Maybe we getting another DLC like 2020. I don't know. I wasn't trading in 2020. I won't lie to you, bro. 2020, I was young as hell. Yeah, I don't know. 2020 was not my year, bro. I was young. I was playing Fortnite every day. Like, yeah, let's not talk about 2020. That was very long ago. Yeah, GG does not look like it's getting back. Not at all. You know what? I'll stick it out. I'll wait the extra 20 minutes, even though I can cut it right now and just call it a day. Yeah, what is this? Check Euro USD. Let's pull up Euro USD. I don't see none on Euro USD. There was a demand that got broken through right here, but other than that, I don't see none on EU. What? Do it. I'm pulling it up. It's right here, G. Oh, it had a liquidity grab. I think someone took this. Someone was in chat telling me about this liquidity grab. What? It hit 101. I mean, that looks pretty good. But other than that, I don't see nothing else. Yeah. Draw the body only on the demand. Like that. That's still invalid. We broke out. If that's what you're talking about. At 35. What? I have no idea what you're talking about, bro. Wait, let me pull up EU on TradingView and then I can see clearer. On 35. Yeah, I drew the demand like that. That's broken through already. Yeah, I don't see nothing there though. Whoever took, I know there was. So let me check. What was that guy's name? Online free. He was saying EU is a liquidity grab setup. Yeah, nah. If he took that, he's eating off that liquidity grab. If he took that. Man, I just popped by to say what's good. Alright, bro. Enjoy whatever you're gonna do now. At 14:35. Where is that? 14:35. This is 14:35. Unless we got time zones wrong. Yeah, 14:35. Unless maybe talking about 13:25. 13:35. Yeah, nah, bro. You like that? I don't know what you're talking about. I won't lie to you. GJ actually looks like we're pushing back up to that supply. I'm hoping we can get by or get close there. I mean, I'm hoping we tap there. You guys switched over to the 1 minute last week. Doyle did show backtesting results on his webinar. Now, he didn't show backtesting results, but he showed a bunch of stuff like about the 1 minute and how to trade it. And then someone sent the webinar to the Discord, and then we all learnt about it. And then, yeah, so we're just learning from that. and yeah, I've been backtesting it ever since, and it's going really well. So yeah, yes, that one. So this one here. You took a trade yet? No, I haven't taken anything. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's not how I draw supply and demand setups, but yeah, I got this GJ this GJ supply marked up. If we get there in the next 17 minutes, I call it my trading day. So maybe if we get there in the next like 5 minutes and we tap there, I might look to take that. But other than that, looks like a no trading day or no trade day. But yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything on EU that I'd take. There's a counter trends to high probability supply, which looks alright. Let's see. GJ, I'm hoping for GJ. I'm a good chill. It's been a really long day. Alright, bro, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And we back at it tomorrow again to hopefully catch another setup. Alright, let's see. We have a potential trade on GJ. Let's just get the magic keys out. Let's see. Just watch EU and see if it rejects. Alright, let's put it over there. We can watch that. The 1 hour grab liquidity, and then there's a demand there as well. You too, my G, you sound drained, bro. You don't even understand. I wanted to catch a setup early today, and I've been here like the whole day trading, and school was a long day as well. Like, I'm tired. But yeah, we got 15 minutes 15 minutes left. So if it doesn't tap, then I'm just closing the chart, and I'm gonna go take a nap. Yeah. Got schoolwork and shit to do as well still afterwards. I'm hoping the setup taps. I'm hoping. Taps and gets a good rejection. Taps and gets a good rejection. That's all I'm hoping for. What did I do? I need to switch that one and switch that one. Okay. At this point, you're just forcing setups. Come back tomorrow. You know what? I mean, it is a valid supply. So I'm not technically forcing it. The only thing is that it is late in the day. Like this, I'd take if it was earlier as well. So I'm not like trying to force like let's get into US 30 sell to this demand here when I'm not trying to force anything. If we get a good rejection though, then I might look to get in, but if we don't, then I'm calling it. Get some rest after this, G. I'm gonna just chill. Like if we don't tap in the next like 14 minutes, as soon as it hits 11 p.m. and we're not in the 1 minute zone, I'm literally switching off the chart. I'm closing the charts instantly. GJ is low. It is low, but look at the momentum on the 4 hour. Look at the momentum coming down, pushing down. Yeah, we got a few gaps to fill in like down below here, so it kind of makes sense to take. But honestly, let's just see. It honestly just depends of the reaction. Like if it doesn't tap or the reaction isn't there, then I'm done. It's a valid supply, but it's past 10:30 and GJ is low. Yeah. So I don't know. Let's just see if it even gets there. I don't even think it's gonna get there. But today was a very slow day. Bro, Marco, it broke through your demand. By the way, I didn't respect on this. Yeah, I'm gonna just close that and close EU. like this US30 demand, I was gonna look to take. Like if it just continued pushing down, yeah, then that would have been good to take. But yeah. I mean, you would have gotten a winning trade today if the 1 minute wasn't a thing. I mean, not really. I think you're talking about this GU setup. It didn't tap for me. Like this was marked up on my trading view, so this didn't even tap, and I don't see anything else. There was no like normal 5-minute supply and demand setups, so I still wouldn't have had a winning day or a winning trade or anything. There was still nothing that tapped. That's high probability on the 5 minutes. So nothing actually worked out today. There was like 0 trades today. I mean, there was this NAS supply that Doyle took, but that was hideous. I was never gonna take that. You can't even see it. That's all. Okay. But Doyle took, where was it? Doyle took that off of the 1 minute though. Like you can't even see it properly. That's all. But this was not a good setup that Doyle took. But yeah, he took that. But other than that, there was literally not a single other supply or 5-minute supply or demand. Even on the 1 minute. Q4 was better than this year Q1 for S&D. Felt like the market is manipulating the 5-minute setups. Facts, it actually did. But on last year, Q4, supply and demand wasn't actually like. I was backtesting it like this morning. There was not that many setups. There was more liquidity grabs in my opinion. Like last year, I even remember in November and December, I took more liquidity grab setups than I did supply and demand. And supply and demand is my main strategy. So that just shows you that like even Q4 supply and demand wasn't great. I respect the work you put into these streams. Hey bro, I appreciate it. I think from next week I'm not gonna be streaming like every day. I'm probably gonna stream like two times. 2 times a week. What is that? Oh yes. Okay, my bad. My brother just came in. I actually need to write something for my dad. But yeah, what was I saying? Next week I probably won't stream like every day. I'll probably stream like 2 times a week, maybe like a Tuesday and a Friday, or maybe like a Monday and a Thursday. I don't know. It depends how I'm feeling, because it is a lot streaming. It's a lot of effort and energy. Yeah, honestly, GG doesn't even look like it's getting up to this supply. So I think I'm gonna just call it a day. Yeah, there's no point in trying to look for anything else right now. It's hit my time to end the day of trading as well. So there's like 9 minutes and this is not reaching. And I'm not trying to force a setup or anything. So yeah, I am done, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow again, same time like today, like 2 hours before stock exchange open. And I'll see you guys there again tomorrow. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your rest of your Thursday, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. But peace. Doyle took a Nash resistance setup right before I end. Doyle took, I see. Valid though. I see what he took. Okay, before I end. But yeah, I'm done. Check GU. I don't know if I want to look at GU. GU's shredding. GU top now, low. Yeah, GU's just dropping now. Yeah. GU's dropping crazy, and GJ didn't reach the supply. So yeah, no, I'm just closing the charts. I understand what he took though with that resistance there. But yeah, I'm gonna end stream now. Hopefully you guys have a good day though. Rest of your day. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, same time.